Yeah, she's
So,
legs are not balanced.
this boy is over here working on his mask piece. And what do I find next to my leg? What are those?
They're the sponges.
They're sponges.
They're sponges for
For
my
what?
mask.
For your mask.
I need like padding on the inside, so like I don't have plastic rubbing against my face all day. You know.
I mean, that's pretty crafty. Sponges.
I needed foam. I couldn't find foam.
I was seeing if they smelled like soap.
Do these new sponges smell like soap?
Apparently not.
No, I don't think so.
We are getting ready for the con. Gabe is still getting ready.
If I can find the hat, I'll put it on. I don't remember where I put it.
Ta-da! I love that so much.
My clothes.
I love the hair that just stands up.
Yeah.
That's the whole point of those, but like none of them ever stand up like that. Look at you. Yes. Oh.
We are recording. Hello. I love your wings. Where are we going, Devin?
Going to the front for photos.
Wait, your name isn't Devin, your name is Moss.
Whichever.
Behind the scenes. Oh, I heard a bug.
You can vlog too if you want.
I was about to say that's what I'm doing.
Okay, cool.
I'm getting some behind the scenes.
So I can add to like a music video.
You look amazing.
Can you give me a good 30 seconds of clapping?
Oh my god, that's
Yeah. No, that was perfect. That was perfect.
That's perfect. This place is so pretty. All the flowers. And friends.
They gave us wristbands and I have to hide them under my wings the entire day. I thought we'd get like arm things, but no, we didn't. So. Hello.
I am hatless because I left my hat at home. But I have a tail. Alright.
Yes, we love the tail.
Where's the tail? There's the tail.
I love
It's so
it.
fluffy.
I have the blue one with the white tip. It's so cute. Look who it is. It's Femboy Friday. He's celebrating.
Fanboy Friday, I'm celebrating the occasion.
Yes. So cute. Howl chicken nuggets. I've taken off the wig. There's that one. The wigs have come off. I look like a gay pirate.
Yes.
And you can actually see my earrings now, so. It's almost time to go. We are tired. We are going to, I'm putting the camera on you. We are going to go home and, yes, we are going to go home and watch Star Wars movies and vibe. Have a snack, have some actual food.
Yeah. I was about to say not just random junk.
Yes. Nothing with nuts. We have to eat nutless.
God damn it.
We've decided on a plan. So if you guys saw our Anime Crossroads vlog, we did Do You Wear Wigs? Like before that as like the intro. Well, we're gonna do it again, but it's gonna be 2.0. And we're going to get Gabe. He's not here at the moment, but we're gonna get him. He doesn't know it yet. But we're just gonna do the video and then we're gonna turn around and start assaulting him with wigs. So Yahoo! We're gonna do getting into Zuko. I gotta iron it and shit. Because today is the contest. We have to hurry up and leave at like 9. Get there early so that way we can get in, figure out where the hell I'm supposed to go, and then like I know the room. I have like the room on my phone, but I don't know where the fuck that is in the convention center. So I'd rather just walk around and try and find it. So yay! So exciting. Woohoo. Yes, I have the eye so far. Yeah. So much fun. Bye-bye. We are back. Look, I have my little mossy strawberry for the contest. So that way, you know, it's a little bit personalized. I've got the crazy earrings. We're in the cosplay. It's a little weird when I'm sitting down, but ooh, it's there. They're in B cosplay.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Very nice. It looks so cool. I love it. I'm very. Oh god. Then pull my earring out. Oh!
Yeah!
Woohoo! Day 2! Yay! Probably won't hear from me till after the contest, so we'll see how I do. Wish me luck. Here we go!
Absolutely no rollerblading, skateboarding, or bicycles.
Very, very informative. We're out here informing just facts. Yes, we're walking to the thing. Yahoo! It's so loud. We had to park on the top today, but it's okay. They stole my parking spot. Hello, we're back. Just did the contest, so we'll see what we find out. Don't know if I won yet. Probably not. It's okay. B, we're waiting on Gabe to come around or get back to me about where he's gonna be or what. So yeah, beginning of the con day. Here we go. Hello. We are on helmet duty for Gabe. Gabe brought his helmets for his cosplay and for people to sign. Because everyone and their brother in Clone Wars is at this con, so. Yeah. It is. The broken glass sounds are great. Yahoo! Yes, I had to change into the shoes because screw the boots. Not doing it. I've had to take mini breaks. So, yahoo! So I'm wearing tennis shoes, that way I don't have to sit down. Haha.
Just
Look at
remember
this.
the banana.
Hello? What is going on with my hair? Hello.
Oh, sorry, did I miss it?
No. Hi. Look.
Here, there's a good picture. Oh, wait, we're vlogging? Hi.
Hello. We are getting ready for the contest. Woohoo! I have to be over there at like 10. What did I say? No.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I have to be over there at 5. They don't get to go in till 6, so I'm gonna be sitting there just kind of vibing. My
be sitting here
mushroom
just
is
kinda
holding
vibing.
up really well. It's glued into my wig.
It is? Oh my gosh.
It's able to pull out though. All I have to do is just pull it out.
No, I know. It's just,
I didn't glue
love
it
that
to
you
the
just glued it
hair.
in.
Yeah. Well, listen, I didn't have anything to like glue it to, and I was like,
I
honestly.
figured you would like feed it through like the wig with a string, though. No.
It might have been better.
Hello.
Would you like to vlog?
Yeah, sorry.
We just did the contest. That was nerve-wracking, but yeah, it was really fun. Some really cool cosplays won, so
Love you.
yeah. If you saw it, yeah, I wasn't up there long because I was like, okay, I did my pose, I'm going.
Oh no, they're morale mushrooms. Truffle salt though, pecorino cheese. Oh shit, that's good.
I don't like the way my skin feels on my body. Do you like the way your skin feels on your body? You don't? Why don't you take it off then? Pull off your skin.
Hello. Sparkly. Look.
You look really good. My hair looks terrible. Ah.
You want a wig?
No, I want a hat.
Your hat's over there.
I know. That's why I have it.
Yes. So excited I'm bringing the mess in my room from the con. Tea time Juko. Woohoo, we've got the dress.
Where are your glasses? Are you not wearing them today? I was gonna clean them for you.
I see them. Hello everyone! Woo! Day 3! We've made it! Yesterday I think killed at least 2 of us. I don't know about that one in
definitely.
the back. Okay, and then all 3. We passed out as soon as we got home. We woke up to thunder this morning, so...
There was thunder last night too. I saw lightning, right? Oh, no. I just remember it was like all night.
I just woke up this morning to that long one, and I was like, what?
Yeah, it was like slow moving, but it was so loud.
Mm-hmm.
Very strong.
But yeah, we're going for day 3. Woohoo! We haven't vlogged much this weekend because we've just been so tired. And all we've really been doing when we're like walking around is shopping, and then we just kind of sit and hang out because I've been wearing horrible shoes. So today I'm wearing tennis shoes, even though I'm wearing my fancy outfit because fuck it, I want to be comfortable and yay. So. Yeah.
Ballin'.
Yeah, so we're gonna go. The task of the day is to get a photo with CSSCP, which is a really popular cosplayer in the area. So we're both. Hello.
Hello. You're here.
We're gonna go get photos. Yay. It's busy today, first day. This one's eating his food.
Hello.
Yes. We just got photos. We're getting ready to hang out and do stuff at the con. So, yeah. Going to try and find people to take photos with. There's an iron giant.
Hello.
Hello.
People are wanting photos. Oh my gosh. I'm loving it. It's crazy that people actually want photos of this.
It's amazing.
Hello.
I don't know why I didn't. I'm sorry.
You're fine. I'm just vibing. I'm like very bouncy.
I'm sleepy.
We are very, very high up. We are like 3 levels up. Ooh. Yes, we are making funny little TikToks about tea parties. Wow. Hello. Hello. Hello, where's TJ? Oh my god. Hello. I have a crown. I have a crown now. I bought it. Because, I mean, off with their heads. Tea Time Junko. Tea Time Junko would do that. Did you get your helmet signed? Show us your helmet signed. No. Nice. Got it signed by Anakin from the Clone Wars because everyone from the Clone Wars is here. So, yeah. Oh, that's you. I was like, what? What? Let's go. We're going in the elevator. I am vlogging again. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. We're in the elevator. I don't like
Hi.
heights. I should probably hit the button.
Yeah, that would probably be smart.
we can
unless
stay.
we want to stay in the elevator.
Whoa, don't walk around in an elevator.
Woo.
You're gonna jump. Why did you do that?
Because 6 is closer to the car.
Oh, dope. Let's
Aren't we
go.
level? What?
We're level 7A.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're closer to the car. That's why.
I can't grab shit.
I still don't understand.
Where the fuck is the car?
7A. Do I be this way or
6A.
6? Having the original British king, whatever King George the First, whatever his name was, King Arthur the First.
you two having fun? Are you two having fun? They're up there talking about George Washington and how he started the Dream SMP. My crown. We are leaving the con. I am vlogging. Hi. Yeah, they're arguing about sandwiches. But yeah, it's been a fun con, but it is now over and we are going home. So yay! I'm so tired. We're gonna go get caffeine. So yay! And I have so many photos to post. So check out my Instagram for photos.